In this video, we listed the 5 best TKL keyboards on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ZIFRIEND ZA68 Mechanical Keyboard. The ZIFRIEND ZA series keyboards are compact mechanical keyboards designed for desktop, laptop, and tablet applications. Originating from mainland China, these keyboards feature a 68-key layout with PBT plastic keycaps and UTEMU switches that support hot swapping. They are equipped with a USB interface, offering flexibility with a detachable Type-C wired connection. The keyboards boast a 20-color RGB backlighting system along with side light strips for enhanced visual effects. They support N-key rollover to prevent key conflicts during simultaneous key presses and include multimedia function keys. Ergonomic features such as adjustable foot supports contribute to user comfort, making them suitable for various operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and iOS. Number 2. YUNZII YZ87 Mechanical Keyboard. The YUNZII YZ87 is a compact and versatile mechanical keyboard designed for both office and gaming environments. Sporting a TKL tankless 87-key layout, it features YUNZII milk switches and a gasket-mounted structure aimed at reducing noise and fatigue during typing. Connectivity options include wired Type-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, catering to various devices and operating systems like Windows, Mac, Android, and Linux. The keyboard boasts customizable RGB lighting with 19 effects, double-shot PBT keycaps for durability, and full-key hot swappability for personalized switch configurations. With ergonomic enhancements like adjustable angles and NKRO technology, the YZ87 offers a blend of performance, comfort, and flexibility in a stylish package. Number 3. Attack Shark Keyboard. The Attack Shark M87 is a versatile wireless membrane keyboard designed for both gaming and office use. It features an 80% compact layout with 81 keys, saving space while offering a mechanical-like feel with quieter operation. The keyboard supports dual connection modes via Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz, allowing seamless switching between up to 3 wireless devices. Its RGB backlighting offers various effects and adjustable brightness, speed settings, with an option to turn off backlighting when not needed. Equipped with a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides extended usage and includes power-saving features like auto-hibernation after periods of inactivity. The M87 is compatible with both Mac and Windows systems, boasting ergonomic design elements such as non-slip PBT keycaps and adjustable kickstand feet for comfortable typing angles. Number 4. Redragon K621 Keyboard. The Redragon K621 keyboard offers versatile connectivity with its first Gen 3 mode connection technology, supporting USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes. Originating from mainland China, this mechanical keyboard features 87 keys in a compact tankless TKL layout with low-profile design, enhancing mouse space and reducing actuation distance. It boasts RGB backlighting and includes practical features like on-the-fly macro keys and dedicated media controls. Designed for both desktop and laptop use, it aims to elevate user experience through seamless connectivity and ergonomic functionality, catering to both work and gaming needs. Number 5. DrunkDeer A75 Mechanical Keyboard. The DrunkDeer A75 is a compact mechanical gaming keyboard featuring ABS plastic keycaps and magnetic switches with adjustable actuation distances ranging from 0.2 to 3.8 mm. It supports customizable RGB backlighting with 18 effects and 10 brightness levels, designed for enhanced gaming experiences. The keyboard, originating from mainland China and certified with CE and FCC, operates via USB interface and offers a standard 82-key layout suitable for both desktop and laptop use. It boasts features like rapid trigger technology for precise key response, dual trigger action keys for advanced gameplay maneuvers, and an emphasis on speed and stability in competitive gaming environments.